Yeah, what's up, everybody? We're back here in the garage again, here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. We're about to give you a look at the gt500. Start it up, back it out. We're gonna check out the roll bar and everything we installed, and we're about to detail it after that. So let's have it. We're gonna get this ready for Carlisle. So here we go. The gt500. This thing is sick. It's not too noticeable, but we got the banner on there. Now we're trying to work out the idle and everything. So we've had a couple revisions. Let's open this up. seat. You can see it's a little dirty. Look how dirty that is, all that brake dust. See, it idles at about 1,000. Idles about 1,500 when we first started up for a little bit. Then, you know, you don't like to move it until it drops down. We got the tuner in there. So, kick this back. And this is the roll bar with the rear seat delete. See, we got these little things on. We got the idea from the one video. This wasn't too bad of an install. The only hard part was really drilling them holes down in there. That's what the roll bar is looking like, all finished up. Love these Recaros. And it's a little bit dirty from driving it and trying to data log it and everything. But the Borla attacks with the black tips. Probably should have cleaned it off beforehand, but we're gonna get to that here in a couple minutes. So this is pretty much what the finished product is. Whipple's installed. I think everything's been going pretty decent so far. We do have the 3-inch pulley. Hoping to get the new bypass valve in. And then the bracket for the fuel pressure regulator too. Alright, this is the Whipple all finished up. Everything's still looking good. Yeah, we'll leave that rain tray out. So we got the Whipple Supercharger, the ARH headers, the Borla Attack exhaust, roll bar, SPE rear lockout kit, and some other little parts. And the windshield banner. So that was a little bit of the GT500. More to come in the future here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. And you know what to do till them next videos. Peace.